everybody. My name is Genevieve Fisher. I'm going to talk to you about our project. So during the planning phases, we came up with a list of deliverables that we needed to give to the client, and we created the content for those deliverables. We also analyzed the tasks that would need to be accomplished in order to complete the deliverables, and out of that we generated the work breakdown structure. And we also created a list of goals for our project, and we assigned them units so that we can actually measure the progress of those goals. So during the planning phase, obviously, we need to use all of our different resources, including human resources, different processes. There's multiple tools that were needed for the planning of this project. And we also had to focus on the risks and mitigating those risks and assigning certain risks priority over the other risks. And the development structure that we used during this project is based on the waterfall structure. We did have some overlap between the different phases, so you can see here. But it was a waterfall-based process, and we had the planning and requirements phase, the design phase, and the testing phase, and actually our development spanned between the design and testing phase, since we did create 3 different iterations of our prototype, and based on the client feedback we would re-release those prototypes after being updated. And then finally we did perform maintenance and review on our project after its release. And some of the tools that we used during this project included PSP, or Personal Software Process, which is really useful when it comes to figuring out exactly how much time is needed to do certain development tasks. And some planning tools that we used include the work breakdown structure, which pretty much assigns specific responsibilities to different individuals and lists dates for exactly when they need to be completed by. And then in order to track some of the issues with the project, such as defects or bugs, issue tracking software such as Jira is a really valuable tool, because you can find out the status of a bug, you can find out if it's been fixed or if it's still being worked on. So that is also a very useful tool for project organization. And during the organization process, we created a list of goals that we wanted for this project. Some of those goals include completing the project on schedule, staying within the budget, and maintaining good quality of software. And in order to actually track those goals and figure out where we were with them, we had to create measurements. So an example might be, as far as completing the project on schedule, we assigned different milestones for the project on different dates. So if we are meeting those milestones on the dates that they were assigned, we know that our project is on track and we are on schedule. And for the monitoring phases of our project, basically that just involves monitoring the budget, making sure that we have not exceeded our allocated budget, also monitoring the schedule, making sure that we are on track, that we've been meeting our milestones, and functional completion. So in other words, is the software performing the functions we need it to, and the functions that our client needs it to. And now I'm going to pass the project on to my teammates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.